we're making the Roxas spec, and then we're going to turn the spec into beads, and we're going to review. We'll review the. I think I'm going to review it with Gemini and Codex, and we'll kind of basically make the spec super good with multiple models, and then we will get cracking after that. Name is Cesari, so nickname is Czex. Okay, gotcha. Cesari, Czex. Gotcha. Okay. There's a spec.md that I would like you to review and compare with the current state of the Roxas repository. Please create your own Gemini spec with changes that you would make or things that you would clarify. Please ask me any clarifying questions. And then I'll have to... What is it? All right, so we're reviewing the spec. We made the spec with Claude, asked me a bunch of questions about the spec, but now I'm like, I want to take advantage of these other models, Gemini and Codex, to like further define the spec. And then we'll probably do the same process with beads and like kind of combine the spec with like, we'll go back to Claude and be like, all right, here's what Gemini say, here's what Codex said, integrate the changes if you want, and then we'll create beads off of that. And then we'll create all the work and stuff. Okay. Is there a way to keep both where we keep track of the commits and then keep track of what drafts were created? The spec is the aspirational versus the code date versus where the code is today. Please detail more how we need to migrate the current code to the spec. We want to only focus on threads for MVP. I was reading, I was reading these discrepancies and then auto generation. Automatic direction and the webhook handler. What are alternatives for the webhook handler? Should we separate these things out? Yes, only enable thread support and disable other platforms for the MVP. I do want to have a sense of draft so that it's not automatically posted and that users can edit them. I do also only want to keep track of the commits on GitHub and not store all of the data in Roxas. Sure. Or is the activities table just a view on the current drafts